My cousin told me a good way to make new friends at secondary school is to join in with everything online, like the group chats, the same games everyone is playing. Otherwise, you'll be left out, and I don't want to feel like that.
Now press pause to discuss these questions. Once you've finished, press play to continue. Aran's cousin means well and is just trying to help him settle in, but this advice might not be the best or the safest. It's natural to feel nervous about making new friends and wanting to fit in. Everyone is in exactly the same situation, and joining in with everything online is probably a bit too much. Aran might already have certain rules in place at home about downloading new apps or games, and he may not like or enjoy everything that others are doing. The best way to make new friends is to be kind to others. Show interest in what they have to say to find out if you have things in common, and always be true to yourself and your values. Making close friends doesn't always happen straight away, so be as friendly and respectful as possible, online and in person, and you'll soon find others with a similar mindset and attitude. The world would be a very boring place if everyone behaved the same way and liked the same things. Your interests, hobbies, and personality are unique to you. That is something to be celebrated. The internet offers fantastic opportunities to learn and discover new skills, talents, and areas of interest, so let your individuality shine through. Here are our top tips for young people. Number 1, trust your instincts. If joining in with something feels wrong to you, then it probably is. Number 2, be yourself and find friends with similar values. Your good friends like you for who you are. They should understand if you want to say no to something. Number 3, ask for help. Always let a trusted adult know if you are worried, confused, or upset by something that happens online.